Welcome to WebStylePress. Mac and Ubuntu provide powerful terminal utility or CLI as a command line tool. What about Windows operating system? Which terminal to use for Windows? How to use Git on Windows? Windows operating system offers command prompt and PowerShell as command-based utilities. From Windows, search CMD and PowerShell. CMD, Windows PowerShell. These are fine. You can use these, but these may not have additional tools to work efficiently with Git and frameworks that need CLI. My recommendation is Git for Windows. Git for Windows offers lightweight native set of tools that help you with Git operations on Windows while providing appropriate user interfaces for experienced Git users and for beginners. If you are working with React.js, Angular, or Vue.js, Git for Windows has got everything that you need. From Git for Windows website, you can download Windows Installer. After install, it offers Git Bash and Git GUI commands in right-click menu. Git Bash is a bash emulation to run Git from the command line. And Git GUI is graphical user interface that is an alternative to Git Bash, offering a graphical version of every Git command line. After you install Git for Windows, to use Git Bash or Git GUI, right-click inside a folder and choose Git Bash here or Git GUI here. Git Bash here, and you will have this terminal window. Experience is just like using terminal on Mac or Ubuntu. For example, I have already installed NVM and Node.js in my system. NVM list, Node version, npx create React app, WebStylePress. With Git for Windows, you can clone repos from GitHub, pull, commit, push repos, and do more stuff. And that is how easy it is to use Git for Windows. Use Git for Windows on Windows operating system. Okay, I hope this video helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.